How to draw Sharkdog, step by step. Hey, what is going on everyone? So for the first step of drawing Sharkdog today, we're going to begin by drawing a circle for the eye, right here towards the center of our page. Now, on the inside of that circle, we're going to draw a curved line facing the right hand side with two small circles on the inside of the area that we make by drawing the curved line. Nice! Now once we're all done with that step, the next step will be to draw a big curved line that will help make the outline of the top of the body of Sharkdog. We'll start drawing our curved line over on the left hand side and we'll go up and over the eye that we just drew. And if you're new to the channel, then welcome to Learn How to Draw Hub. We upload new step-by-step drawing tutorials every single day, so if you're looking for a new community to draw with, then you're in the right place. Now if you're all done, let's continue. For the next step, we're going to draw a curved line connected to the point where we just stopped. This will be the outline of the mouth. Let's draw the tongue. It will appear to be hanging out of the mouth of Sharkdog, and it will be connected to the line that we just drew. Now on the line right above the tongue, we're going to go ahead and draw the teeth by drawing sharp triangle shapes. So now, on the very top of Sharkdog, we're going to draw the dorsal fin, which will appear to be a very curvy triangular shape. Now on the dorsal fin, we're going to draw two stripes, which will help separate the colors. So Sharkdog has not one, but two tails, so on the left hand side of the page, on the curved line that is for the top of the body, we're going to draw two small shapes that are the tails. The two shapes that we draw will come to a point. Nicely done. Now do you see the end point of the curved line right by the tails? From there, we're going to draw the first leg of Sharkdog. We'll simply draw a big U-like shape. Now a little over to the right, we're going to draw the second leg by making a line that looks similar to a U. And from here, we'll connect these two legs to make the underbelly of Sharkdog by using a curved line that goes from left to right. We'll also connect the right leg to the mouth by using another curved line. So in total, we're going to draw 4 legs of Sharkdog. The third leg will be right next to the one that we just drew, and the fourth leg will be right in between the two that we first drew. Now we're just going to draw a curved line on the bottom of the body to help separate the colors of white and blue. But for the last step before we color today's drawing, we're just going to want to go over and add the nostrils along with the gills. And if you enjoyed today's video, be sure to give it a big like, subscribe, and turn on all of our post notifications. Next, I'll show a picture of our drawing all colored in. Great job today, and thanks for drawing with me. See you next time! Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew, if you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.